Welcome to another episode of Dumb and Dumber. Here's Dumb and Dumber.
I think it's the opposite way.
Oh, back it up, Terry. What are you doing, Terry? Put it in reverse. So today, guys, we're going to be doing an episode of how. Oh my God. Hello. So we just got out of Lowe's.
Yeah.
We had to pick up. There's a stop sign. There's a stop sign. That was.
Oh, what is this?
Yo, look how slim that is.
I think their suspension's a little broke.
Just
a
little bit. Hello, stranger. Oh, they're pulling up next to us. We gotta just secretly get the camera like this. Wow. Look, Cole, say hi. He didn't say hi.
Oh, what's up, guys?
What? You gotta do it in a funny voice.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Okay.
I hope that was a green light.
Okay.
I really.
Hey!
Wait, where?
They were waving. I don't know if it was to us. I know it wasn't to us, but I'm gonna pretend that they're followers and they were trying to get our attention.
We love you!
Yeah, we love our followers. Guys, if you see us out and about, yell at us.
Guys,
make it look like we cut you off and you're trying to kill us.
Guys, pick up a Clutch & Co license plate frame. But
guys, you'll see my card and you'll see his card.
But if you're interested in getting a Clutch & Co license plate frame, guys, let me know. Comment down below and I will get you all one. I'll figure out a way to, you know, get one on order for you all. So,
okay, but on the itinerary.
Wow, you can't.
But anyways, guys, on the itinerary for today, we are installing a sponsor's little gift.
Yes, sponsor's part. Yeah, basically, yeah, gift. So yeah, this sponsor, CoLight, hit us up. They do lights for automotive stuff. So they do UTVs, ATVs, you know, off-road vehicles, things like that, all types of cool lighting and stuff. So I'll leave them down below. I'll also put them right here for you all to check out. So okay, what's wrong with you today, James?
I'm in a silly goofy mood today.
Where's the it turns over here. Hey guys.
Oh, look at the BMW! What's the doors open? Oh, there's people inside.
We're finally back in the shop, and it is that time. I think James has a little surprise for us. James, where are you? Oh, you are! Box! This thing's heavy.
Box now!
Ooh.
We got a box!
LSRD.
LXTN. Lexington! Oh!
Where do you start?
All right, Cole. Proper etiquette of a knife. Ah, you're not holding it right. No, Cole. No, Cole.
Slice my finger.
Firm.
Oh, and then just
firm. Take it in the corner. Any finger. Now you try. No, Cole. Cole.
It's a box.
Cole, be jet.
I almost farted doing that. What?
That was OSHA.
Ooh. Well, that just made a mess.
We got stickers,
So,
guys.
yeah, we have stickers. Oh, here's mounting brackets, which we will not be using.
Guys,
those.
look at cord. Oh my God, that's a really long cord.
So what it is there's we gotta run a switch inside. But yeah, here's the lights. So what we can do, these are actually yellow covers.
Beep, 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 beep.
These things are big.
Those things are massive.
Wow. Okay.
I like
the quality of them.
Oh, covers.
Covers.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Branded covers. CoLight covers. That's dope.
That's crazy.
Okay, so we
crazy cool.
Yeah.
5 gearbox.
I don't know what we're doing.
It's low-key my only cool on the BMW.
I know.
Like, look at
okay, so I was a little skeptical about this.
Too.
I was like, You know, I was looking at all the pictures and I was like, I just don't know.
Come here. Leave them behind real quick.
Okay. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, so James is doing something very stupid right now. Why is it so smoky over here?
Hey, buddy! How's it going? Yo! What's poppin', my dude?
Now, I know I had Stoner Avenue written on the outside, but hey, this is not what I meant.
BMW can be used for so many things.
Oh my God. Yeah, guys, welcome to BMW. 10 things you can do with your BMW that you shouldn't do. Number 1. Lock yourself in the trunk. No, not that.
We're gonna let that air out.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta get back to the video. So yeah, what we're doing now is we are installing them on the car, on the hood. These lights do not come with these hood clamps. I had to get these, I had to order these separately, but I will link all this stuff down below, guys. I'm very excited to see what these things look like. I am nervous, but excited at the same time.
Yo! What?
That is weird.
Why does it look cool? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. They are. I mean, it doesn't look bad slanted.
I see that they're slanted.
But it doesn't look bad.
It doesn't. It goes well with the lines of the car.
And the freaking carbon fiber. That's insane, dude. It's just hovering there. Oh my God.
Okay, so what issue we're running into right now? The power, so we can't get the back seats down. And if any of you have a BMW and know how to get back seats down or out or whatever,
Please call.
Ow! Okay, yeah, so we know this. Oh, here, hold on. Oh! You alright?
So, that just fried out of me.
Is it still on there?
Yeah, it is.
So don't touch it.
We gotta get it off though.
Well, let's disconnect the battery first. We kind of jerry-rigged it, right?
Oh my God, dude, they were on there. Holy crap. Dude, I'm telling you, they were on there.
All right, we're gonna turn off the lights. Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Action! Oh! Oh! Hold on, we gotta bring this one down.
Yeah, we gotta like angle them.
Oh my God, Cole! Oh my God! Dude, come back here and look at this. This is insane!
That's wild.
Look, it looks like it's the headlights. Now turn the car on. Yo. What?
That's crazy, bro.
Yo, that's insane. Those actually look kind of cool.
That, I don't know what size it should be, but
last time I said this, I almost died. Time to be a real man.
This one won't spark.
Oh, dude, I'm a real.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, it's too big. I dare you, dude.
Them, right?
I dare you to run with your brights. Someone flashes you brights, and I'll hit the switch and be like, "Nah, this is my brights."
So the install is finally done. I love them. I think, you know, maybe not on BMW, but it is different. It is different. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go test this in the real world. We're gonna go give it a test in the real world and see how many people we can blind. Just kidding. Don't do that. Don't. That was his idea, I swear. I had nothing to do with it.
I take 100% responsibility for that because that was my idea, and I'm gonna go through with that idea.
Yeah. So.
Oh no!
Did it not? What happened?
It wasn't on there tight enough.
All right, let's try this again. Have you been not recording the whole time?
No.
So you've been talking to him?
Whoops.
All right, so you want to give him a rundown on what you were talking about?
All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be driving with the white LEDs first and see how they look. Oh my God.
Dude.
And then after that, we're going to run with the yellows on the way back. All right, you ready?
You can tell how much of a difference they make. It's crazy.
And on. Oh my God.
Quiet. Peace and
What are your thoughts?
Dude, these things are amazing.
I'm actually having second thoughts about this whole thing.
What do you mean about taking them off?
About taking them off. Thoughts. Actually, do your thoughts first.
Okay, so, you know, I was very skeptical about these lights at first, but now seeing them and how they work on the car, they actually don't look bad. They don't look bad. In the pictures, when you all look them up, if you do, you will see they're on UTVs, ATVs, side-by-sides, whatever they are. All that off-road stuff.
Do that again.
But no, you'll see them on all that off-road stuff, trucks, ATVs, things like that. But on this BMW, I don't know. I give them like a rating-wise, I give them like an 8 out of 10.
You gotta advise. These things are an 8 out of 10.
They are. So the white is an 8 out of 10.
Did you want my honest opinion?
What's your honest opinion? Oh, God.
They're freaking awesome, dude.
They are awesome. And again, thank you for CoLight for sending these out. These things are going to be a game changer. And I actually might... So I'm going to keep them on this car for a while, but he's actually switching them out to do the orange, as you all saw in the shop. The orange is going to look weird. It's going to look wild. Dude, this is going to look wild, bro. Oh, my God. All right, so he's got the orange on.
You ready?
Yeah. That's so weird.
Turn your lights off.
Just turn halos on. What?
What?
So it's like night vision.
I don't know what my... This is kind of cool.
This is so weird. All right. Let's go back to the shop.
This is race mode right here. Low-key, you could just run these instead of your own lights.
I am. That's literally what I'm doing right now.
And then
I didn't even realize it.
On. Here,
I'm actually just running. I'm actually just running the halos.
We're at hazard.
Oh my God.
Unnecessary!
The brakes are just like dying right now.
So overall, guys, I'm not gonna lie. They're clean as. Don't mind Cole struggling to get in reverse. It's okay. We all have problems, you know, backing it up though sometimes. Throw it in back, baby.
This car needs to be drived anyways some more.
It does.
All right, I'll go open the garage and I'll back her in.
That's crazy. Turn your lights off though.
Oh.
That's insane. I'm not gonna lie. That's just absolutely insane.
So, okay, he's singing. I don't know why. Oh, right, because it's Sunday Fun Day. That makes sense.
We can't do what we do without our creator, you know? Thanks. Okay, that moment's over, but thank you guys for coming around again.
Yeah.
And looking at another video of us putting on the LED. We love you. And thank you.
Okay, but seriously, on a real note, guys, thank you all so much for watching and sticking with us. This process was not hard at all. I love these lights. We're gonna keep them on the car for a little bit.
I'm not gonna lie to you, 10 out of 10 on the install.
Install 10 out of 10,
and if
definitely.
you have a Jeep, like a bigger
off-road
vehicle, these are the lights to put on them.
Like, I might even put these on the Honda, honestly.
They would look amazing on the Honda.
I don't know. Should I race out the Honda?
So much for the work vehicle. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get another car. Why? Because I just keep pimping out every single car
I know. That's kind of what I feel like. I'm trying not to do anything to that car, but
and they look overall. They look really clean.
They really do look great.
The cores are. I mean,
they're not.
Granted, they're rated for your battery, right?
What?
These are rated to be connected to a battery.
Yeah.
What we did was we improvised a little bit.
We still technically connected to the battery.
We did.
Which I'm gonna see, because it might. We'll see how the battery does, and like, it ran fine.
It did. There was no hesitation on start. None of the lights flickered. I mean,
everything's
I don't
good.
think these draw a lot of power at all.
And I think because it has a built-in fuse and its own protection, which is very nice.
I'm Batman. Gotham needs me.
So he's making bat signs. But anyways, thank you again. Thank you again to CoLight for sending these out, and I hope you all want to work with me in the future on future videos and things like that, future builds, whatever it may be. I look forward to working with you all again, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Guys, if you haven't already, go check out theclutchingcompany.com to get your merch today. Guys, shift your passion. That's what we do. That's what this is all about. Yes, it's fun. And, you know, we take it a little bit serious sometimes, but it's all about shifting your passion and doing what you love. So keep on shifting your passion, and I'll see you all in the next video.